In the book Connected, Christakis and Fowler view social networks as very complex, elaborate. They begin by discussing the smallest, most simple network, which is dyad, or a pair of people. The dyads they originally studied were husbands, wives. That next they included pairs of neighbors, pairs of friends, and pairs of siblings that were connected together in their own networks. Eventually, dyads extended into a larger network, social networks, and their influence did not stop with friends that are known. It continues on to many others. As the social network grows, with each continued relationship, the view of these networks in modern life can be seen as connections that promote altruistic acts and goodness. The author states social networks are natural and necessary in order for people to survive in a society with order and happiness. Social networks can also spread negative feelings to others that they are connected with. For example, if someone is in a social network with people who are doing bad things, then bad consequences also affect them. Connections in social networks can influence our daily lives by affecting who we marry, who we know, what we know, our health, how much money we make, and even how we vote. They state on page 7 that social networks can spread happiness, generosity, and love, and that they are always there, exerting both subtle and dramatic influence over our choices, actions, thoughts, feelings, and even our desires. We form our own social networks, and also our own social networks in turn affect us. Our friends affect us, our friends' friends affect us, our social network has a function of its own. Involving the whole structure of the network by integrating all the connected parts with it, the authors describe 3 degrees theory as attitudes, feelings, and behavior that influence up to 3 degrees. For example, if we have 20 friends, and those friends have 20 friends, and those friends have 20 more friends, then the influence is contagious, and it reaches 3 degrees. The people's feelings in the social network are contagious to those they are connected with.